So this US oil analysis for Wednesday, the 21st of February. Now let's have a look at our prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we saw prices head up towards the 62.54. Just bear with me a second here. So we had price head up towards our 62.54, major level marked out here in red. Prices stalled. We had a brief pullback down towards the very next major level of 61.48. From 61.48, we did see the buy side momentum. Didn't quite get back up towards the 62.54. However, we did have a bit of a pin bar, a lower high, and we did see the further sell side continuation to the downside. Now we've broken beneath the 61.48. So if we potentially have a retest and a rejection of 61.48, we'll be looking for price head down towards a dynamic level of the 200 period moving average. 200 period moving average currently sitting at in around the 48, is it? No, 66. So currently we have the 200 period average sitting around 66. A successful break from which we're looking for price head down towards 60.25 is a minor level, but the major level that we are looking for is the $60 barrel mark. If we don't find bullish buy side momentum into the market at $60 a barrel to take us up towards our 61.48 and eventually up towards our 62.54 for another test, and we are looking for prices to break down further towards the $59 a barrel mark, and a break from there we're looking for 58.28. Previously where we found some buy side momentum come back into the market. Now if we do find support at 60, again we're looking for further upside continuation. Now if we do turn around from where we are at present and we do break and hold on to the 61.48, and we're looking for price head back up towards our 62.54, towards 62.54, we have the added confluence of the 400 period moving average. If we're able to successfully navigate the 400 period moving average as well as 62.54, we're looking for price head up towards our 63.05. Successful break from which we're looking for price head up towards our 63.76. Now, if we head up to beyond the 63.76, the very next level that we are looking at to the upside beyond 63.76 is all the way up at 64. Let's just see, 64.76 actually. Strange. We'll be looking for price head up towards our 64.76 here on the US oil, on WTI essentially. So if we do see that breakdown, break back up, hold onto the 61.48, successful break of the 62.54 with added confluence of 400 period average, we're looking for 63.05, 63.76, and 64.76. Can't expect price moving beyond 64.76 to the upside, or say the $59 a barrel mark to the downside, unless we do have a tremendous amount of volatility. But let's just have a quick look at the daily chart, see how prices are developing here. On this daily chart, so we're in a pretty strong uptrend, had a sharp sell-off, down, found support in around 58.28. We've had this very strong move to the upside, but we are having a bit of sell-side momentum come back into this market. Now, we don't have an engulfing candle, and the candles remain relatively small at present. Not those that would indicate more of a retracement than a reversal, sizably enough to be concerned about. So we'll see how far this retracement takes us, or whether we do have a full reversal and retrace this entire move. So we are seeing a bit of a pullback here on the daily chart. We'll see whether we do find support for further upside continuation to test the most recent highs in around the $66 a barrel mark, or if we do fail to see that buy side momentum re-enter the market, we'll be looking for prices to potentially find support, double bottom support in around the 58.28, where we did find this strong buy side momentum move more recently. Overall, the trend on the higher time frames is still to the upside despite this very sharp sell-off in the US oil. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.